Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and I'm super excited to tell you guys that today is going to be a giveaway announcement video. And after the giveaway announcement, I'm also going to be showing you guys a short and cute cat nail art tutorial which is super easy to create. And also stay tuned till the end of the video because you will know what you're going to be winning in this giveaway. But right now, I'm just going to be telling you all the rules of the giveaway. There's just going to be two rules for this giveaway. The first one is obviously stay subscribed to my channel and also keep your subscriptions public so that I can check it. The second rule is you need to comment down below in this video what you like about my channel or if there's any video that has actually helped you out. So make sure to enter your comment down in this video so that I actually get a count of who have participated in this giveaway. And along with the comment, make sure to mention if you're an international subscriber or an Indian subscriber. So if you're an international subscriber, then do mention the word international. And if you're an Indian subscriber, then mention India in your comment. And also try to restrict yourself to enter just one comment so that it's easier for me to check it out. That's all. There's just two rules for the giveaway. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know what you're going to be winning and the deadlines for the giveaway. And now without any further ado, let's get right into the video tutorial. So for my base color today, I'm going to be using this very pretty light green shade called as Misty Green by Dibelle Cosmetics. So I absolutely love this shade. It is kind of like a leafy green, light green shade. And on the first coat, as you can see, it is a completely sheer polish, and surprisingly this polish has a very thin formula, but I absolutely love their brush. It has the perfect width to apply the polish in just 3 strokes. On applying the second coat, you can see this polish brings out the shade and it gives complete opacity on the second coat. So even though this is a very thin formula, it actually brings out that opacity and the shade in the second coat. So next I'm going to be using my dotting tool as well as my black as well as white polish to create the cats. So first I'm going to be using my black polish to create the head of this black cat. So I'm actually going to be creating 2 cats, so it's kind of like a cat couple. So I just created a dot or the head of the cat. So this design kind of reminds me of the cats that we used to draw as kids. So I created the body of this cat using the dotting tool, but slightly a larger circle than that of the head. And next I'm going to be using my Bon Petit Store brushes, and these are really good to create freehand nail art. So I'm just going to be creating a triangular structure at the top circle. So this creates the ears for the cat, and finally I'm going to be using the brush to create this really long tail for this cat. So I kind of created this tail using an S design, and you will know why. I just wanted to overlap the next design. So for the next cat, I'm going to be using the dotting tool and do the same thing but using a white polish. So over here I'm actually going for a female cat, so it's kind of like smaller to the male one. I added the dots slightly below the black dots, and then I'm going to be using the brush to create the same triangular structure for the ears. But this time for the tail, I'm just going to be creating a slanting line over the black tail. So this looks so adorable. I absolutely love how it turned out to be already. So just for final details, I'm just going to be adding this white whiskers on both the sides of the white cat and just on one side for the black cat. Since there was a lot of space at the top of my nail, I'm just going to be creating a paw-like structure over there. So for this, you just need the dotting tool or the toothpick, and I'm creating a black paw. So I just used the dotting tool to create the base of the paw, and this is just an horizontal oval shape. And next I'm going to be using the dotting tool to create the tip of the paws and just creating 3 dots in a triangular fashion. Finally, I'm going to be applying my favorite fast drying top coat right now, and this is by Color FX. So this is going to seal the manicure off and allow it to last longer. This is how the final manicure looks like, and I absolutely love how it turned out to be. It is super cute. Let me know in the comment box below what you think of it. And on my thumb, I just created black and white paws on it. So that looks really pretty as well. You can just create that on all your nails. So this is how the base color looks under the natural light, and it's much more brighter than what it looks under the ring light. going to be 4 winners in total. 2 of them are going to be international winners and 2 of them are going to be Indian winners. So for the international winners, you're going to be winning a few products from beautybigbang.com or from bonpretystore.com. You can actually choose the site where you win, and I will place an order directly from their site. So coming to the Indian winners, one of them I will be sending a package directly from me. So you're going to be winning one nail strip from Nailsicle, and if you haven't watched that video, you can check it out in the link above. And I will also be adding a few glitter bags in there. For the other winner, I'm going to be placing an order at purple.com, and you will be winning 2 NYB nail polishes along with the lipstick. So I hope that's exciting enough, and if there's a lot of participants, then I will be selecting another winner. We just got to see how it goes. The giveaway winners will be announced not in the next video but the video after that. So make sure to hit that bell icon to know when I post a video, because you will have just 2 days to claim the prize. And if you don't claim the prize, then I will be picking another winner. Also make sure to mention International and India in the comments below. So I will be picking the winners using a random comment generator, and I will be using these 2 words. So you have approximately 2 weeks to participate, and I will be writing a close sign in the description box below when this giveaway closes. So stay tuned for the giveaway winners video, and that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.